Meaning of fluted.
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 Fluted. The term fluted refers to a surface or object that has parallel grooves or ridges running along its length. These grooves can be straight or spiral in nature. When applied to architectural features, such as columns, pilasters, or moldings, the fluting creates a decorative effect that adds texture and visual interest to the surface. The ridges and grooves catch light and create shadow patterns, emphasizing the shape of the object and adding depth to its design. Overall, the result is a visually appealing and dynamic surface treatment.